girls. Welcome to Cross R.C. This is the fourth part of the KanyonBody build. Hopefully the final part as well. This is a learning curve for me. I've never done it, but according to theory it should work. But you and me both are about to find out whether it will or will not work. What I'm using is a piece of plastic. It's pretty thin. This is the sort of, I think this one was a box of Christmas crackers or something, and it comes with a flimsy little plastic lid. You get all sorts of things with this flimsy little lid on it. Okay, this is a piece that I picked up over Christmas and thought I'll find a use for it, and now I have. So what I'm going to do is we're going to be using our faithful little heat gun. I've got this little adapter on the end of it. I'm hoping to be able to use that back curve to sort of do a little bit of shaping and whatnot. Whether it's going to work or not, I've got no idea. But let's try this out and see what happens. Maybe I'm going to be teaching a lot of people something new, or I'm going to be learning that this was a really cuck idea. But let's try, see what happens. Right, here goes nothing. Let's see if any of this is going to work. Huh? Something, yeah. Okay, let's try a different approach. goes nice and soft, but I don't know if it's going to go soft enough to actually mould into this. Oh guys, sorry about that. Something happened and it stopped recording. So I've just sorted that out and we'll continue. So far we're getting a bit of shape, but it's not working terribly well. I don't think this is actually going to work properly. But we'll go as far as we can go and we'll see how it ends up. Right, let's go again. Okay guys, having a lot of trouble with my phone doing videos. It keeps on cutting out for some unknown reason, but it is now, I've sort of shaped it. I haven't really finalized it because it's not going to work, but I thought I'd just show you guys the end result. It's sort of taken shape, but there's a lot of wrinkles and whatnot that I'm not happy with. I've left it to stand for about 10 or 15 minutes. It's cooled down. I'm now going to take it off and see what it ended up being like. So yeah, the great reveal. Well guys, here goes the great reveal. Again, my video cut out halfway through taking this off, so I'm just trying to do a video for you. It doesn't seem to be coming out terribly well, you know, this thing being clear. It got the shape, but I think I need a thicker material. As you can see here, we've got, there's a hole burned through there. You know, there's another hole on that side there. If you can sort of see them, there's one over here, there's another one there. This is sort of got all black. We've got these ridges up the sides and that around the back, you know. Yeah, it didn't work. It didn't work. But the basic idea is there. Okay, if you sort of match it up there, you can see it sort of worked, but I didn't use the right material. So we're going to have to find some sort of material that's going to work on this. So yeah, there'll be another video on the KanyonBody build, and hopefully we'll find some material that actually does work. Once again, thanks a lot for watching guys, and please don't forget, subscribe, like and hit the notification bell. Thanks very much guys. Cheers, bye.